Welcome to Brown's Rod and Custom, your home for street rods, muscle cars, and Volkswagen content. This is my dad, Big Ron. He's our body man and fabricator. This is my beautiful wife, Megan, our editor-in-chief and supporter. And this is me, Adam, the designer and mechanic for our projects. If you find our videos helpful, like and subscribe for more content. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. Happy Sunday. So this is going to be your Sunday night update. Wrap up this video here. So some good news came in. Mike from thinkparts.com hit me up and said that my parts will be here tomorrow for the thing, which is good because it's supposed to rain tomorrow and have a high wind. So gives us something to do, something we can show you guys. So hopefully tomorrow we'll be doing that. I got a lot done. And I'm going to walk you through that. None of it's pretty, but it's stuff that has to be done, and things that'll get covered up and so on. But this is the dirty part, of this, of doing these cars. You got to make a mess, and it gets worse before it gets better. But honestly, I love doing it. So let me show you this. So, as you guys saw, went ahead. Finished up a little bit here, what I could. Also, got the back of the cab. Pretty much done. I got to still do around the window here and up here with a little die grinder. Not a huge deal, but just something I still got to do. Inside of here, let me grab the light here. So you guys can see what I'm doing. So in here, went ahead and use the bower. Basically, so understand this. Get the light out of your eyes. From this line here back is staying. Okay, that's all good floor. This line forward to about halfway up the firewall is getting replaced. Okay. I apologize, I've got all the patch panels in here. We're just trying to keep it somewhat tidy. Now what I did do is I took the bower over this, cleaned it up. I thought it cleaned up pretty well, actually. Hit this. I hit some of this here. Hit here a little bit. Just trying to just get as clean a surface as I can. Now tomorrow, I'm going to hit this on this side. Clean that up a little bit. And I think I'm going to take the bower and hit some of this as well, because I can. And I think it'll really clean it up. I didn't really pay attention to that until after I got out from under it, and I was looking at it later going, you know what? We could probably hit that too. So we're going to hit that. Let me get under here. Bear with me for a second. I'll show you what I've been working on most of the day. So we got to get this up. Okay. So, this right here, okay, this is the bracket that the rocker attaches to. Okay, now from this line here, you see the line right there? That line forward, I don't need to scrape anything because it's all getting cut off and new floor is going down and it'll completely be replaced. So most of this under here, I did scrape some of it up in here. Got some shadow jams going on, but I got some of it off of there, just to make it easier to get this plate off later. But I need to scrape all of this back, right? So that still has to happen. But I did manage, get my light back, to get from here back on the floor. I got this cleaned up, this cleaned up pretty well. Under here's looking good. Oh, I'm playing light games, guys. Under here's looking pretty good. Under here. So we're getting there. Now it's just a matter of finishing this up. I'm going to try to wrap it up tomorrow and try to pour all this with pour 15 and get it cleaned up. I got the back side of the bracket here, which you can barely see. But a lot of work just laying here on my head. I got some of the firewall. What was left, I got all that. So we're getting there. Now, mind you, most of this will be gone anyway. Will be cut off with the new floor pan, but still needed to come off. Just makes life easier. So that's where we're at. That's what I'm doing. I'm working my way across. It's a lot of work with a scraper and other tools, miscellaneous tools, but that's what we got. So anyway, guys, get out from under here. That's where we're at. Big Ron's been running around with Uncle Rick in April today, so that's all I've got for you. Hope you guys have a great night. We'll be back tomorrow, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, to hit this thing again, and I'll be back with you. Thanks for watching Brown's Riding Custom, guys. Please like and subscribe to the channel.